Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we recently covered couple of teams related API. I would be covering few more about it. We have this API apps in a team. I'm trying to explore more about this as to what it does, but I'll come back to you on this. We'll look at this API, which is tabs and channels. So what we can understand is what are the tabs that are there in a particular channel. So for that, first we need teams and then we need channel ID. Now we know how we can get teams and channel ID, but I can just show it to you again. I go to my joint teams and I hit the query, and over here what I see is all the teams that I'm part of. So let's go to my team, see which teams has a good number of channels. So let's see. Yeah, I want to go to Mark 8 project team that has good things in it. So Mark 8 project team. Let's see, where's it? I think it's somewhere on the top. Yeah, this one. I go here and I go to this and I now have teams, but I need channel as well. So what I do is, okay, so what we need to do is we need to just make this small modification in the URL. For now we see channels. We just go ahead and we can select all channels and we run the query. Now we are able to see all the channels that are there. So if I go over here, what I see is design, general, asset, go to market, research, and all those channels. I come back to the query and I want to see this channel as go to market. Very interesting channel. Let's see. Where's go to market? Go to market. This channel. Yeah, this is a channel. Very interesting channel which I see. So now I have my teams, I have my channel, and I will be using these two details in my query. So I just make sure I copy this properly and I come back to the tabs in channel query. I paste this. So what I did is just make sure that the teams ID and the channel ID is taken from the query of how I generated. Rest is what we already had. I hit run and now what I'm able to see is all the tabs that are present on the top of it. The first is notes, the second is product roadmap, which is in Excel. What I see is in Excel. What this is in PPTX file, PowerPoint file, which is GTM plan. Let's go and re-verify. Yeah, see, this is a go to plan is file. Then we have product roadmap and we have browser. I think this is a PDF or something. Yeah, this is a PowerPoint. So what we are able to see is all the tabs that are present on the top of it in the same graph API. We can also see items in the drive. Now what we mean by drive is the drive is nothing but files. This is actually when we talk about drive or wherever drive comes in, you have to keep in mind it's nothing but the SharePoint site. What is the content that's there in the SharePoint site? It can be my site which has the content, which is also known as OneDrive. It can be a SharePoint site, or it can be a Teams site which can be there. So in my next video I'll explain a little bit upon how we can get the group ID, or group ID is nothing but a site ID of the particular teams that we would be accessing, and how we can access its child, and how we can access the items inside of child, which means folder and then subfolders and all those things. I'll explain those things in more details in my next video. Thanks everyone for now. Bye.